Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache in the Opera browser. If Opera is slow or websites are not loading properly, clearing cache can fix it. To clear the cache on Opera browser, first open it. After that, click on this menu icon in the top left corner that says customize and control Opera, and then click on settings in the drop down menu. After that, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right you will find delete browsing data. Click on this option. Here you can under delete browsing data, you can select time range from last hour to all times. Now check this option, cached images and file, and you can uncheck others if you don't want, but you must check this option, cached images and files, and then click on this delete button. This will erase cache from your Opera browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.